Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on the Citra Emulator. First, you'll want to download the most recent version of the Citra Emulator from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, legally obtain your Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu game file. This initial setup is crucial for a great adventure. Next, let's optimize Citra's settings for your best gameplay. Open the emulator and head to the configuration menu. Here, you can fine-tune graphics settings, balancing performance with visual fidelity. Also, take time to set up your input controls, whether you prefer a keyboard or a gamepad. A comfortable control scheme makes all the difference in your Pokémon journey. Now, it's time to load your game. Add your game's directory to Citra's game list for quick access. Once it appears, simply double-click the Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu title to begin your adventure. Remember to save your progress frequently, both within the game and by using Citra's Save State feature. This ensures you never lose your hard-earned progress. Finally, here are some tips for a smooth experience. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. Closing unnecessary background applications can also significantly improve performance. For more specific problems, Citra's online community forums are an excellent resource. Enjoy catching all 151 Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.